sets each. That should be about 30 minutes. I gotta go before somebody grab me to take me out. 30 minutes, you gotta get out of here. Round one, done. Okay. I'm gonna start with the 15s and then 20s back because I'm gonna have it. I got 15 more minutes, really like 11. So I'm about to do, I got 3 more sets. Okay, let me quit playing. These guys, I'm not playing, but let me get it together. Let me get it together. Let me get it together. I got 7 minutes. Now I gotta clean up, wipe everything down, baby, and then I can go home. Okay? Home is where the heart is. I wanna go home. Done cleaning, 3 minutes to spare. So, last shots of the room. Is this my new home or no? Okay, 10 o'clock on the dot, and I'm headed out. Oh wait, fancy button. Exit. Open. Audi. Baby, when I say tired, so I'm about to go to Trader Joe's because I need to cook breakfast. I have bacon, but I got egg whites, but I really don't feel like cooking no egg whites, so I'm gonna go get some of their breakfast, like the air fried breakfast bites. But first, baby, I got water in here. Another one, okay? Okay, that was intense, but I got through it. That 30 minutes did what it needed to do, baby. I'm big, baby. Let's get it.